Living without being with Swamiji is living without knowing what is meant to live or to love. Serve all beings as service to God. Worship your own. Respect all is the principle of His Holiness Swamiji. I would kindly request Joint Secretary JIVA, Sriman T.S. Krishna Swamiji, to enlighten the audiences about the vision and mission our Swamiji keeps.
Jai Sriman Narayana. Respected dignitaries on the dais, all our guests who have come from different states, all our staff, and dear friends. It's a wonderful day in history of gyms to have the commission members here to give training, and we are extremely thankful at first for choosing gyms to conduct this training program. And our Swamiji always says, whatever we do, we have to do it with passion. Okay, learning, yearning, these things will happen. But when we do with passion, it makes some wonderful difference. It creates some magic in the society, which will be helpful to the society for the healthy living. So, our Swamiji, His Holiness Sri 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 Tridandi Sriman Narayana Ramanuja Chinnajiyar Swamiji, and our chairman, Dr. Rameswaraji, and another stalwart in homeopathy, Dr. Krishna Chaudhary. These are the three people who are the pillars behind this institution, who have one person is with passion to give good medical education, and the other person is expert in this medical education, and the other person, Dr. Rameswaraji, is a good businessman, and a combination along with the experts like our Naveenji have made this institution come into existence in 2015. And here there are many people, experts from different places. We have come from highly experienced and I'm sure all of you experts can definitely make this homeopathy system really useful to the society as it was envisioned by the founder or the person who invented it, Dr. Hahnemann. So I'm extremely happy that since 2022, in Times of India, I saw Dr. Jain's review, that he gave a report in which he gave all the details about this, about CBDC, about the various departments that have to be established, about the training and what are all those things he gave, and I saw that report. So we never thought that it will be, the CBDC training program will be conducted here in our gyms. And so that's a wonderful thing. Anyhow, because though I am not a doctor, I am of course an engineer. But by the blessings of Swamiji, I am into this, working in this management, but still very much passionate, and every day we see some new thing in this field. Because when I'm with Swamiji, every day he is giving, when he is suggesting some medicines and seeing the results, it is something amazing. It's like it is working like a magic. And definitely, when there is result, it should be scientific. There is no question in that. Maybe scientists prove it or not, it's a different matter. But whether they prove or not, something which is true, that cannot become false. It is true, that's it. So that technique was what found out by the founder Hanumanji, and then onwards people have tried to gather that particular technique, and today government is giving wonderful support and pushing this and trying to make this system of medicine to bring closer to the public. Though it is very much famous among the public, still when it comes to the scientific reasoning, there are so many questions even among the learned scholars and experts. I wish our NCH is putting wonderful efforts in making this homeopathy very easily available to all the people. And on behalf of JIMS, I request our elders here to say that homeopathy is one of the methods of medicine, one of the systems of medicine, and it is not being equally treated with other systems of medicine, where we always regret. Our Swamiji has also written to NCH and also to the NMC during COVID time that all the homeopathic people also should be given opportunity on working with the patients, but they didn't consider. That's a different thing. So what I wish is, even students after taking this and getting into almost curriculum is same even for modern medicine and this, and these people learn more, in fact, I think so, what I have told. So I wish the admission procedure be uniform for all the medical courses, and registration system also be uniform throughout the country. These are our requests based on what experience we have. And it is left to your things to think of these things, because these are the hurdles which, when we want to do it with passion, some things are stopping us in going ahead, either in research or towards research, because we need to focus more on these things rather than on the actual core content. So when these things may be considered, and our request may be considered, and some revolutionary changes as we have made now with the National Education Policy, and now NCH has come up with wonderful curriculum, CBDC. I am sure this is going to make a wonderful mark on the society. Swamiji is doing so many wonderful activities in various fields, especially in health. Swamiji has conducted, since 2010, we have conducted early detection of cancer for cervix and breast cancers. And, 19 lakh women were scanned, and all the data, proper data, is available with our group, and it has been also submitted to the government. And after seeing this activity, around 3 lakh women were detected with the malignancy. And later on, our trust has tried to support so many people. And many doctors have come forward to give those things and all, to support those people. So, Swamiji is going ahead with the passion to see that this medical system reaches everybody, and he uses only homeopathy. Since the day one he caught that point, he uses for himself, for all the students, for all the staff, for anybody, he advises only homeopathy. It's not that it's a panacea of everything, but where it works, there he uses it. That's a thing, and I'm so happy that you are here in giving us this opportunity, and I'm sure our gyms will stand up to the expectations of what NCH is working, and your hard work will not go waste, and we are there to be behind in doing whatever you have expected from us. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you all for coming and taking this training. On behalf of gyms, I once again thank you all. Jai Sriman Narayan.